Hey Stampers, Diane Dimich here with ddstamps.com, and today I'm here to introduce you to my November tutorial for this month. So how this works is if you place an order with me during the month of November, I send you a thank you email with a link to a tutorial for that particular month. Now if your order's over $50, at the end of the month, I figure out who I'll place those orders over $50, and I put together kits with the designer series paper, any embellishments that I use, or ribbon, and the cardstock for all of the cards that I made, and I send that to you. So you would need like the bundle that I'm featuring that month, which this month is homemade treats, to complete the cards like I do. But I will send you a kit so that you can make them. And honestly, if you have whatever you have at home, you could probably use this tutorial, use your own stamps, and carry on. So let me flip my camera. All right, so this month I'm featuring homemade treats, which is a great stamp set. It's a lot of fun. I've had fun with this one. It comes with these great images, and then you have dies that coordinate with it that have, you know, 2 Santa Claus hats, 2 candy canes, the gingerbread boy, the utensils that you'll need. I love the cookie sheet. That's one of my favorites. And then this actually cuts out this image here. All right, so let me move those out of the way. And let me show you the cards that we're making for this month. So this is one, you can see that cookie sheet, how it shines with that silver. And I'm also sending out, I will send, like I said, the embellishments. So you get the baker's twine and you'll get the peppermint embellishments in your kits too. And then I have this one. So you can see I'm using this designer series paper, which right now is currently unavailable, but it will be available by the time I get these kits ready to go. So you'll get all of the 6x6 papers. So you'll have extra stuff too. And then the basic white, the garden green, the real red. Then I have this one, and then the pecan pie on this one. And I will be doing a video on Thursday night this week of me making these cards, so you can see how I did that. Let me show you. So this is the designer series paper. These are the papers. They're double-sided. And then you will get some of the baker's twine in the red and white stripe, and then also, like I said, the peppermint embellishments. And then the cardstock I'll cut. All right, so join me on Thursday night this week, and I will show you how I made these cards, if there's any tricks or tips that I used. And I thank you, and I hope you have a great November. We will speak with you soon. Thanks. Bye.